Hello everyone, my name is Brittny Hutchison and I am a reporter at the Jamaica Observer. I report to the Daily News desk and I also write for the All Woman and the Career and Education sections occasionally. Definitely Win by Jada Kingdom. The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Jada Kingdom. Hands as Feet. I grew up in St. Andrew, West Rural St. Andrew. Kevin Hart because he's hilarious and of course I love laughing. It would be Rihanna. Happiness. Strawberry. Definitely number one, of course, because I want to be first in everything that I do, because I'm a star. Jerk chicken and fries with pasta. Of course, I definitely see myself being better than I am today. So, of course, a better reporter here at the Jamaica Observer. To pick the green mangoes off the tree to make juice when I was playing Dolly House. It's very obvious. It's my smile. It would definitely be ketchup. Ketchup with everything is just so amazing. I love ketchup. The first book I've ever read, well, I think it was the Bible. Because I would go to church often as a child. It's Track and Field. It's One Love. As of late, it would be green plantains with anything. Anything with green plantains, I'd have that. That's my favorite. Well, I'm always crying. I love ball. I'm always a ball. So the last time I had a real cry was when I got my first lead story because I tried so hard to be on the front page of the Observer. So that would definitely be when I cried. A real cry. Yeah, Bigfoot. I would love to fly. It would be to fly, to be invisible, and also to travel back in time. It would be tea. I would love to go to Paris. Of course, open my eyes, and then I check my phone. Not worry, just be yourself, relax, and of course at the end of the day you're still going to do your best, so just don't worry too much about anything. No baby boom. It was a story that I did about the decline of births in several hospitals across the island. Of course, I had to reach out to the medical officials at these hospitals to get the stats and get some other sources to comment on births, considering the fact that we are in a pandemic and the possible factors that would have contributed to the decline. So that would be the story that I'm most proud of. Subscribe to the Jamaica Observer e-paper and remember to follow us on all socials at Jamaica Observer.